very small and they'll identify what is there. And it is a memory game for the children. Thank you for participation, all the parents. So give them a round of applause.
My name is Miss Maya.
My name is Yang Sahu.
My name is Max. I'm 7.5. Name is Urvija.